Sunlab Tech Equipments India Private Limited make refrigeration trainer test rig. The trainer consists of compressor, condenser, and water-cooled evaporator. Copper coil placed inside the tank here. Now the panel consists of mains on-off switch, voltmeter, ampere meter, temperature meter, selector switch, and temperature sensor details mentioned here, and energy meter, and on-off switches for different devices, gas flow meter, suction pressure gauge, delivery pressure gauge, overload protector, and here expansion device, thermostatic expansion valve and capillary expansion valve, filter dryer. Now how to operate the equipment step by step. First we need to connect the main power supply to single phase 230 volts, then switch on the mains. Okay, now digital indicator shows the respective readings. In this case we need to select the expansion device, either thermostatic expansion valve or capillary expansion valve. For capillary expansion valve we need to operate the hand setup valve, open clockwise, both valves should be open. For solenoid valve we need to operate the solenoid valve switch on and close the hand setup valve for capillary. Okay, now start the capillary mode. Okay, switch on the condenser fan. Okay. Now switch on the compressor. Okay, now compressor is start. Okay, wait for a few minutes to stabilize the system. Then note down the temperature of chiller, initial and final temperature with respect to time. And energy meter reading also with respect number of blinks with respect to time. After note downing of capillary mode, then switch on the solenoid valve. Okay, now solenoid valve is operated. Then close the hand setup valve. Okay, then note down the respect pressure, suction pressure and delivery pressure and temperature also. Then compressor power also. After completion of experiment, switch on the condenser fan, switch off the condenser fan, compressor and solenoid valve, then mains.